So I've started a website so I can show you everything step by step. And I've chosen the voice agent niche because it's a high value topic with little SEO competition. So the strategy for this website is simple: create a brand with information and tutorials around voice agent software, and then offer to sell the website to one of these companies by the end of this year. In the meantime, I will promote one of these brands called Synthflow and earn affiliate commissions every time someone signs up for with my link. So this is not really the way that I would recommend you to create your website, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But it's just a good way for me to show you how to, get a website going with AI, right? So I also have a plan B, right? A pivot, right? To a directory website that could be a curated list of voice agents. I could white label my own software, create my own software with one of those other tools and, white label it, change it to the name of my brand. In this case, is Voice Agent HQ. I could also create an informational course, right, and an implementation of AI voice agents. So, advertisements and affiliate marketing, they've always been the way that I've been creating websites and making money, but they're not really a viable option anymore. So, you really should have your own tool or course or something, some products that shows Google that you're a real business. I really recommend that now in 2025 and onwards, right? It's not really, the things have just changed so much, right? Where you can make a website, post some content, and make a lot of money, right? It's just becoming more and more difficult. Okay. And the reason why it's getting more and more difficult is because of the changes that ChatGPT have done to everything, basically, right? So if you take this query here, like best water filter, right? Okay. So this is the ChatGPT, that I'm using now. Google is probably going to move towards this. It seems like it's just trying to copy things. But anyway, let's just look at this as a result, right? So if you're looking for the best water filter, right, you get these options here. Fine, that looks good. But if you think about it from a user, right, is like, what is their next step, right? So they see the different ones, like they're probably going to copy this one and paste it into Amazon or something like that, right? Or back into Google so that they can just buy it, right? Or, ask it, where can I buy this or something, and it will give a link to, Amazon or wherever people can buy this type of stuff, right? But what you can see here is like Forbes, Forbes. Okay. So, it's very difficult to beat these websites. Forbes, big websites nowadays, they're not even related to water filters, are there? But it's really, really hard to outrank this type of website. So, this is why I'm saying affiliate marketing is very, very difficult now. So, it should be a kind of a bonus add on. What you really want to do is get your own brand, your idea of who you are and what you're selling into the ChatGPT search engine and any other search engine. We'll talk a little bit about that, but we will also be creating content that will be aiming to get into this answers. All right, so that's it for my plan. Okay, I think it's a good plan, especially like the fact that I'm planning to sell the website, right? I do think now, after being in this game for a while, it's very volatile, right? So I do recommend having an exit strategy, right? So I'm planning to just get the traffic up, get a lot of traffic, and then sell. Okay, so that's my plan. Let's move on to your plan.